ladies and gentlemen, have I truly got something special for you today. 21A Tirriki Street Blacksmiths. Come on in and I'll show you around. There's an amazing amount of space in this fantastic dual-level beachside family home set in the sleepy suburb of Blacksmiths, offering multiple living rooms, plenty of natural light and a flawless design that will keep all the members of the family happy and out of each other's hair. Located on a corner block with direct access to the beach and at the end of the street, this home ticks all the boxes with many features. Large open kitchen with island bench, stainless steel appliances and ample storage. Huge master suite with its own living area, his and her walk-in robes and a large ensuite. Great easy to maintain backyard and internal access from the double garage. So if you and your family are looking for beachside living on a grand scale, don't hesitate. Contact me today at LJ Hooker Belmont.